How to protect a book. Click on the Add to Creation button. Choose the category, click on the Text button. Types of creation, click on the first type, book, then click on the button, Continue. Identification, this is the most important part, please fill in carefully as follows. Enter the title of your book. Enter the preface or summary of your book, you have a maximum of 25,000 characters. Click the arrow to the right of the box and select the year of creation of your book. In this box, in order to ensure your proof of ownership, mention the material used, for example, writing by computer tool, or in the case of drawn content, add, for example, hand illustration in pencil colors that are scanned and integrated to the book afterward. Enter the first and last name of the author and owner. In some cases, by using, for example, a subcontractor of the anonymous reducer type, ghostwriter. Very important, you must have the copyright cessions duly signed by your anonymous editor in order to be able to use them. Contact us for a consultation with a copyright expert. Add your entire book, click on the Join a PDF file button and search your computer documents for your book in PDF format. It is important that your PDF book does not exceed 50 megabytes. To export your book in PDF format, either do it from Word by clicking on greater than register PDF format or use a conversion site. Here is a free example, https://www.freepdfconvert.com/. Add the cover, click on the central button and look in your computer documents for your book cover in .jpg or .png format. The most important part, copy and paste the contents of your book, which will be monitored by our detector to warn you of any unauthorized use. That is, each time a publication of a part or all of your text will be published online, you will be alerted. Visibility. Choose one or three categories to simplify the future referencing of your data and your book. Signature. Finally, tick the declaration of authenticity to certify that you are the real owner of this book. The second article mentions to you that just like registration in a conventional intellectual property office once validated, you can no longer go back to correct the content.